I'm taking this video to demonstrate the problems that we were having with our Napoleon fireplace. We've taken out all of the logs and the gravel. We've cleaned the sensor and the pilot as best as possible with some emery cloth. And we're still seeing some very strange issues with the flame height and just overall general operation. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fireplace with the controller. So now it's on. I've turned the temperature up way up. You can see that the pilot kicked in, but we're still not seeing a flame. And it almost seems like that sensor rod isn't being touched enough by the flame. Because I think I was reading that it needed to touch more of the sensor rod, the flame did. So maybe there's something wrong there. Not sure, but let me try to get this thing going here. The flame height is set at the max. Blower's off for now until we get a flame. I'll put it on 1 just for good measure. So now the flame just kicked in. So it took some time. And this is what generally happens. We see the flame come and then the flame goes. Comes and goes, comes and goes. It's very odd. Sometimes it works fine, other times it doesn't work at all. We're wondering about the quality of gas as well. In Mexico here, maybe they don't have the same kind of quality of gas or something, I'm not sure. But we seem to be getting very sporadic operation out of the unit. When we first installed it, everything was great and it seemed to work really well. And we didn't have any of these problems, but it sat dormant for a few months, and then when we tried to use it again, basically it had this behavior where sometimes it would come on, sometimes not. It's leading me to believe that there's some kind of faulty part, and I don't think it's the sensor rod. It may be something else, but we're not entirely sure. You can see it's not even filling the area with the flame. We checked the Venturi setting, and that's correct for the propane gas at 7/16. The gas pressure itself at the tank is very good. And like I said, we cleaned the sensor rod and the sensor with some emery cloth. So we did everything that the troubleshooting guide was saying we needed to do, but it still doesn't seem to want to operate properly.